Hello Fly Babies, hello patrons, hello my lions. Today I'm giving you your weekly Patreon review so that if you are a patron and you haven't listened lately, it might be something you want to go listen to. If you aren't a member of the Patreon family as one of my patrons and it's something you've been thinking about, maybe these things will be of interest to you and you can sign up. It's only $5 a month and I think it's a great investment in yourself and in your family. The 5 videos for last week, the first one is affirmations if you were my daughter. I have a lot of people that say, oh, it feels like you're my mom. And I know that many of you are young enough to be my daughters. And so, so many people have said to me, and it might not be you, but many people have said to me, that they don't know how to give themselves affirmations, or they maybe haven't received a lot of accolades or affirmations from their parent when they were younger. So these are the affirmations that I say to my own daughters, and a lot of you feel like my own daughters. So these are affirmations for you to listen to hear good things about yourself. And a lot of people have responded very positively and very emotionally to this video. So I hope it's something that you might love to listen to. The second, third, fourth, and fifth videos of the week are all for your children. They're not bad for you to listen to because they're a great review. Each one has a little prelude, so it talks to you about what I'm going to tell the children, giving you instructions if you need to change anything or edit this in any way, and then to take the video to a certain point and stop it and go get the kids and then they can listen to it. But always you listen to it first. The first one is the before bed routine for children. The second one is the morning routine for children. The third is clutter check for children. And the fourth one is the after dinner routine for children. So those are some great videos that help you as a parent communicate to your children. Sometimes hearing from a third party, a teacher, so to speak, is a little more oomph than you saying it yourself. So you never know if it helps you and it helps your kids. I hope it makes everyone happy. So that's it for my Patreon and review. Have a wonderful week and always remember to be beautiful because you are beautiful. Bye.